Professor Rocket and get ready to get funky with some psycho math. Whoa! Now, my head blowing up may look painful, but I am used to it. Don't try it at home, though. Now, here's how psycho math works. I'll show you an equation, but instead of numbers, I will show you some pictures. So you figure out what numbers the pictures stand for and solve the problem. Ready? Then let's do the psycho math. Okay, let's start with the number that Valentine's Day falls on. Aw, isn't that sweet? Then add it to the number of antennae on an ant. Then divide it by the number of oceans connected by the Panama Canal. Don't give me that look. You can get this one. First, you take the number 14. That's the day Valentine's Day always falls on. Add it to the 2 antennae on that ant, divided by the 2 oceans connected by the Panama Canal. That's the Atlantic and the Pacific. And the answer is 8. I said the answer is 8. Now we're getting jiggy with psycho math. Now, get ready for the next one. The number of letters in the alphabet, plus the number of letter L's in the word armadillo. Tastes just like chicken. Then take away the number of snowflakes that are identical. Are you still with me? Now, what does it equal? We got 26 letters in the alphabet, plus 2 L's in the word armadillo, minus 0 snowflakes that are identical. Your answer, folks, is 28. 28! Ain't the psycho math great? Okay, here is the last one. So make it count. Count. Get it? That's a little psycho math humor. The number of state capitals subtracted by the number of pennies in a quarter, minus the number of run counts in baseball. Now, it's time for the answer. There are 50 state capitals, minus 25 pennies in my quarter, minus the 1 point you get for a run in baseball, equals 24. That's 24. Who can ask for anything more? You can't, because we're all done, all right? So see you when I see you the next time on Psycho Math. Until then, Professor Rocket's out.
Who's got the next game? No, wait, right. Okay, right there, hold it. Poop or scoop?
Ladies and gentlemen, hey, I'm talking here. That's better. All right, it's time once again to play Poop or Scoop. Can you tell the straight scoop true from the animal poop false? Test your knowledge of the animal kingdom by separating fact from fiction. Let's start with this big guy right here. Poop or scoop? Elephants really are afraid of mice. What do you think? If you think it's a big fat lie, say poop. But if you think it's true, call it the straight scoop. And the answer is pure poop. Elephants aren't any more afraid of mice than you or I. Of course, if the mouse were carrying an elephant gun, things might be different. Now, let's try one that's twice as hard. This wormy fella's called a planarian. Poop or scoop? When you cut one in half, each half grows back into a whole one. What do you think? If you think this guy's a real cut-up, vote scoop. But if you think 1 and 1 don't make 2, vote poop. It's the straight scoop. That's right. Planaria can actually regrow missing parts. So whenever one gets split in 2, each half grows back into a whole. Now that's what I call long division. Moving right along, poop or scoop? Male seahorses give birth to baby seahorses. Go ahead and laugh. But what do you think? Can a male seahorse really give birth? If yes, go for a scoop. If no, pile on the poop. The answer is scoop. Female seahorses lay eggs, but then they give them to the males for safekeeping. The male keeps the eggs in a pouch for 2 to 6 weeks before giving birth to as many as 200 little ones. Okay, kids, poop or scoop. Gila monsters have sharp fangs like snakes to deliver their poisonous venom. What's the verdict? If you think Gila monsters have sharp fangs, vote scoop. But if you think that story really bites, go for poop. The answer is poop. Gila monsters are highly poisonous, but they don't have any fangs. That means that after they bite their victim, they have to hang on for several minutes while their venom slowly drools into the bite. While they are still trouble, they're less dangerous to humans than snakes. Well, kids, that's all we got for you today. If you got only one right, you're a party pooper. 2, and you're a pooper scooper. 3 makes you a super pooper scooper. If you got all 4 questions, you're what else? A super duper pooper scooper. I'm telling you, you can't get this kind of entertainment just anywhere. So please, join us again next time for Poop or Scoop.
Game quality under control. Riddle snake, ooh ah! Riddle snake, ooh ah!
In the dark and mysterious recesses of parts unknown, there resides the strange and riddle-wise creature known only as the Riddle Snake. His music is enchanting, and his riddles are perplexing. So look close and think even closer, closer, closer. The riddle is, what gets harder to catch the faster you run? What gets harder to catch the faster you run? What gets harder to catch the faster you run? And the answer is your breath. Here's another one. Why was the breath punished? Because it was bad. Oh, that was a stinky one.